Hi, welcome to this video. How to schedule a post on Instagram. To schedule a post or reel on Instagram, you need a professional, business, or creator account. If you don't know how, click your profile icon at the bottom right, hit the three bars at the top right, and search for account type and tools. And inside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just switch from from personal to professional account in the account type button here. Okay. Next, all you gotta do now is just go ahead and create a new post. So I'm gonna press the plus button at the top here, right? And let's say I want to post this as a post. So this is real now, so I'm gonna switch to post here. Let's say I want to post this, right? You can add audio, text, whatever. I'm gonna hit next, right? And then hit share here. After you add captions, location, if you want to tag people or collaborate with other creators. And before you post, you can just schedule this post, right? So hit continue scheduling, right? And select the date and time, AM or PM, and hit done, and go back, and then hit schedule, right? So let me do it again. Continue scheduling, done, back, continue scheduling, and hit schedule here at the bottom middle, and then your post will be as scheduled, be published. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and you can schedule content up to 75 days in advance within the app. You can use tools like Meta Business Suite for more flexibility. See you in the next one.